Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. I dive deep into Elon Musk's business strategy and see if I can spot the genius moves that make it all work. Elon Musk's business strategy has been a topic of discussion for years, and for good reason. The man has disrupted multiple industries, from electric cars to space exploration. His innovative approach has left many wondering how he does it and whether his strategies can be replicated. Musk's ability to think outside the box and push boundaries has been a key factor in his success, and it's something that many business leaders can learn from. With his vision for a sustainable future and his willingness to take risks, Musk has been able to stay ahead of the curve and make his companies, such as Tesla and SpaceX, household names. Musk faces a lot of challenges in his ventures, from intense competition to technological hurdles and market skepticism. Many of his projects have been deemed impossible or too ambitious, but he has consistently proven his critics wrong. His ability to adapt and innovate has been crucial in overcoming these challenges, and it's something that has earned him a lot of respect in the business world. Competition is fierce in the industries Musk operates in, and he has to constantly come up with new and innovative ideas to stay ahead. Technological hurdles are also a major challenge, as Musk is often pushing the boundaries of what is currently possible. Market skepticism is another obstacle he faces, as many people are unsure about the viability of his projects. Despite these challenges, Musk remains committed to his vision and is willing to take risks to achieve his goals. He has a unique ability to bring people together and inspire them to work towards a common goal. Musk's leadership style is also worth noting, as he is known for being highly demanding and having extremely high standards. This can be tough on his employees, but it also drives them to be their best and produce high-quality work. Musk's perfectionism is also evident in the attention to detail he brings to his projects, which has helped to set his companies apart from the competition. His ability to balance long-term vision with short-term needs is also impressive, and it's something that has helped him to build successful companies. Musk's willingness to learn from his mistakes is also key, as he is not afraid to experiment and try new things. He has a growth mindset, which has allowed him to stay ahead of the curve and continue to innovate. Musk's innovative approaches have been a key factor in his success, and one of the most notable is his focus on sustainability. He has been a pioneer in the electric car industry, and his company Tesla has been at the forefront of the movement towards sustainable energy. Musk's vision for a sustainable future is not limited to electric cars. However, he also wants to make humanity a multiplanetary species, and his company SpaceX is working towards that goal. Musk's focus on risk-taking is also worth noting, as he is not afraid to take bold bets and try new things. This has led to some impressive innovations, such as the reusable rockets developed by SpaceX. Vertical integration is another key aspect of Musk's strategy, as he likes to control as much of the production process as possible. This has allowed him to optimize his company's operations and reduce costs. For example, Tesla has its own manufacturing facilities and battery production, which has helped the company to reduce its reliance on third-party suppliers. Musk's approach to innovation is also highly iterative, as he is constantly testing and refining his ideas. This has led to some impressive breakthroughs, such as the development of autonomous driving technology. Musk's companies are also highly interconnected, with technologies and ideas being shared across different departments and companies. This has helped to drive innovation and accelerate growth. Musk's focus on sustainability has also led to the development of new technologies, such as the Powerwall battery, which allows homeowners to store excess energy generated by their solar panels. His companies are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and this has led to some impressive achievements. Musk's ability to think long-term has also been key, as he is not afraid to invest in projects that may take years to come to fruition. This has allowed him to build successful companies that are poised for long-term growth. Musk's leadership style is also highly collaborative, as he encourages his employees to work together and share ideas. This has helped to drive innovation and accelerate growth. A pivotal moment in Musk's career was when he decided to invest all of Tesla's profits into the development of the Model S, which was a bold move that paid off. This decision showcased his genius strategy, as it allowed Tesla to establish itself as a leader in the electric car industry. The success of the Model S had a significant impact on Tesla's growth, and it helped to establish the company as a major player in the industry. Musk's decision to invest in the Model S was a risky one, but it ultimately paid off. And it's a testament to his ability to think strategically and make bold bets. This decision also highlights Musk's focus on innovation and his willingness to take risks to achieve his goals. The Model S was a game changer for Tesla, and it helped to establish the company as a leader in the electric car industry. Musk's ability to make strategic decisions and take calculated risks has been key to his success, and it's something that has helped him to build successful companies. The key points to take away from Musk's strategies are his focus on sustainability, risk-taking, and vertical integration. These approaches have allowed him to build successful companies that are poised for long-term growth. Musk's ability to think strategically and make bold bets has also been key to his success. His focus on innovation and his willingness to take risks have driven significant growth and have helped to establish his companies as leaders in their respective industries. Musk's leadership style and his ability to inspire his employees have also been important factors in his success. Overall, Musk's business strategy is genius, and it's something that many business leaders can learn from. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on Musk's strategies in the comments below. And do want to forget to check out another one of my videos for more insights into the world of business and technology.